Let's make aromatic and flavorful potato rice. Wash and soak 2 cups of rice for 30 minutes. Add 1/2 cup of oil to the pan. Add 1 big sliced onion, which is around 100 grams. 1 tablespoon of cumin, 2 big cardamoms, 1 bay leaf, 1-inch piece cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon of cloves, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Sauté on low-medium until soft and translucent. Now add to potatoes, around 200 grams. Sauté potatoes for 5 minutes on medium heat. Now add chili flakes, turmeric and salt, 1 teaspoon each. 2 tablespoons of garlic and ginger paste. Sauté for 5 minutes on medium heat. Add to medium roughly chopped tomatoes. Add 1 cup of water. Mix it and cover. Cook for 15 minutes on low heat cooking. And cover and cook until oil separates. Check if potatoes are tender. When oil separates, add 4 cups of water. Add 3 whole green chilies, 1/2 tablespoon of salt, 3 drops of cura essence. Mix it and bring it to boil on medium heat. Now add the soaked rice. Mix and cook on medium heat. Continue cooking until 70% of water evaporates. At this point, sprinkle to mild green chili slices. Cover and cook for 15 minutes on low heat. After 15 minutes, delicious potato rice is ready. Enjoy as it is, or pair it with your favorite meat or veggies. Like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.